In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Bitrix24 account. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your dashboard. You want to go to the bottom left here where you can see settings and you want to click on it and you want to click on Bitrix24 settings. Inside your settings, you want to go down to where it says other settings and you want to click on that. And from here at the very bottom, it says delete this Bitrix24. So you want to click on this, and from here, as you can see, only the administrator can actually delete Bitrix24, and you have to dismiss all the employees before you can actually proceed, okay? This action will delete all data, including files and user profiles, so make sure you know what you're doing before proceeding on. Now, over here, as you can see, after you delete this account or this Bitrix24, you can create another one with the same address, okay? So whenever you've done this and you are ready to actually proceed, click on delete this Bitrix24 account. You're going to have to confirm it, and that's really all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.